In this lesson, we are teaching opinion writing. It is reference-based writing 4.1, so grade level 4, and we will begin with the lesson. Okay, so first we start by asking our students, or if you're at home, your child, what are the dots on the page? If they say they are a dot of water, that is fine. Have them explain why it is a dot of water. Is this something they've seen before, or why are they saying this? That is providing the reasoning behind their answers. As they respond, help them as you write down in a graphic organizer. Just do a circle with what they are and reasons coming off of it if you don't have a graphic organizer handy for you. In class, this will be done as a group activity. So as a group, we will develop the family member that they want to speak about, or write about, and a descriptive trait of that person. So as an example, I spoke of my mother. And my reasoning was my person was my mom because she was a strong woman. I explained to the students, strong doesn't necessarily mean lifting weights, but it means that she was strong because she was able to support 2 children by herself. After this, we returned to our designated seats. With their partners, the students began to collaborate with the person they are writing about. So if they're home and they don't have a person, let's discuss who they would like to write about. Maybe it's a favorite aunt or uncle. Maybe it's you. Whoever they'd like to write about, and the trait that they are describing, and also have them give the supportive reasoning about that trait. If they're saying the person is beautiful, why are they beautiful? This will provide their writing material. In class, we will do a group discussion regarding the potential person and traits. This will be a guided discussion with ideas being discussed. So in other words, who is the person? What are the traits? I don't want to know why the traits are at this point. I just want to know what they are. Okay, then the students are provided the realia or the papers necessary to brainstorm their ideas to develop their paragraphs based on the trait and the thought and expanding upon it. So if their trait is beautiful, they have beautiful eyes. Is there anything else that could be beautiful? Why are their eyes beautiful? As a teacher, I will walk around the classroom providing assistance. As a parent at home, you can provide one-on-one assistance to your student. Correct them if necessary and provide supports as they need it, but try to let them do it as independently as possible. And be sure that a person and a trait has been identified by each student, and let's narrow it down and make sure it's just one person and one trait at this time. Based on their person and their trait, they will begin writing their papers. For the purpose of scaffolding, some of our students may write 1 paragraph, while others will write a 5-paragraph essay. Your student will know what they've been assigned. If the students are struggling, they will be in small groups. As a parent, you can provide one-on-one instructions. For our higher achieving students, they may be peer helpers to the students who might be struggling or just need a little bit of extra encouragement. Don't worry, all students need encouragement at some points in time. It's nothing to be alarmed about. Okay, so in our lesson, the exit ticket, which means I know that they're understanding what's expected of them, so we can move on to the next task that we have in this in the curriculum. The brainstorming and expansion writing will be read and graded. This lesson was over 2 days minimum. The first day would be the brainstorming, with the second day being the expansion writing. Time permitting, we would use a third day or possibly on the second, once the writing was complete, to have students share. It doesn't matter at what level your students. It might be 1 paragraph or 5 paragraphs. I encourage all students at all levels to share. As the teacher could also share her examples. This will allow students to hear different opinions and perspectives and have different ideas, and it allows our students to learn from other students. Thank you for your assistance.